Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Infinix Note 12. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside find an app called Microsoft Edge. Then select this one from the list and click on the install. When it's ready, click on the open. Right here we can sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it though. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And right now we can start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.